Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on this back button or this home button on your Android phone. And this makes everything a little bit easier. So I can just press back, or I can just hold it down, and I believe I can go home. So what we want to do is go to the top right, and then go to Settings. And on this version of Android, it's called System Navigation. So you can just type that in on the top, System Navigation. So you can go to this here. Otherwise, it will be under System and Updates on the bottom. So let's go to this and look for it. System Navigation, the second option. Then select this, and we want to go on down to the Navigation deck. Under here, and then just turn this on. So you can see this little button right here will appear or disappear. So once we have this turned on, this will be the back button and the home button. So let's try this out. So let's go to this. So I can go back by pressing it once. I can go back again, or I can hold it down. And I can go to the home screen. So it's a home button and a back button. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.